Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover how to adjust the volume using the volume mixer. So what is the volume mixer? So the volume mixer lets you increase or decrease the volume for all the programs, and it also lets you to increase or decrease the volume for a specific program. So this is how we are going to implement this video. So now let's get started. So now we are at my desktop, and to open the volume mixer we have to right click on this volume icon and click on the open volume mixer. So now if I click over here and increase the volume, it will increase the volume for everything. Now if I want to specifically decrease the volume for this, I can decrease this volume and also increase this volume, but it is not affecting the other volumes. And if I want, I can decrease this one and I can also increase this one. So this is how you use the volume mixer to increase the volume for all programs, for specific programs, and to decrease the volume for specific programs as well. So this is the functionality of the volume mixer. Now let's summarize. So in this video, we learned to use the volume mixer to adjust the volume for all or specific programs. Thank you for watching.